Today, we are taking a giant leap forward in ways few thought possible to open the next frontier of mobile AI. Galaxy AI story has only just begun. With the launch of Galaxy S24 in January, we introduced to the world Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI will be available on 200 million Galaxy devices this year.
The Galaxy Z6 series introduces Galaxy AI into our most powerful foldables. It's an outstanding feat of engineering, bringing you our most advanced technology. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is our slimmest and lightest fold yet. When closed, the cover screen is now wider and taller,